Hi friends, you are watching Nestle India chart, daily chart. I will show you how Nestle India going to perform in coming days based on some technical strategies. I use open interest method. I will show you open interest method for Nestle Industries. Nestle Industries now closing price to 20,322 in Nestle India cash price. I will go to the open interest method. Nestle India. $20,500 call option. It is 298 rupees closing price. And I will check the historical data for 1 month. It is the historical data for Nestle India. I will show you some methods how to find out the pattern. This is 4 patterns to find out the open interest method. First pattern, the open interest up and price combinedly up, both on the upside, means it is a fresh buy. Second pattern is when open interest is going up, price is coming down. That is called fresh sell. Another method is when open interest coming down, same time price is also coming down. It is called profit booking. Next method, when open interest coming down but price going up, that is called short covering. This is the 4 methods to find out the open interest, how the stock is going to perform based on these 4 methods. I will show you Nestle India. You can see this is the Nestle India historical data for 1 month. You see, today it is closed at 298 rupees. Today's open interest at 19,500. Friday's closing price is 281 rupees. Friday's open interest closing open interest is 21,750. And last Thursday's closing price is 236 and open interest closing is 27,850. You can see here 27,850 on Thursday, 21,750 on Friday. That means 6,000 open interest have come down. Compared to Thursday, Friday open interest is come down 6,000 open interest, 6,000 shares come down. And today also you can see another 2,000 open interest come down from 21,750 to 19,500. So from 16th September it comes 27,850 to 19,500. That means oddly 8,000 shares open interest has come down. But you can notice the price on Thursday settled price is 236. Friday it is closing at 281. That means it is closed at the higher price compared to Thursday. And today's closing price also higher price compared to Friday's price. That means the open interest is come down, but price is going up. That means you can see this is the method I told you, na? 4th method. Open interest is coming down, price is going up. This is called short covering. As per this analysis, I found out this is the short covering seen in the Nestle. So, what we need to do tomorrow's trade or in coming days trade, we need to see today's high is 333 rupees is today's high. Tomorrow, at least it must cross 340 rupees. I keep some 6 rupees trigger price. Once crosses 340 rupees, definitely it will move some good upside. So I will show you the chart, technical chart for Nestle. This is the technical chart for Nestle. It is a daily chart. Each day one candle. You see the pattern is bullish. You see it is trading inside the channel. The pattern is very good. You can find out here the last 4 days you can notice some U-turn has happened. This is the 20-day EMA. This green color moving average is the 20-day EMA. The price is not come below this 20 EMA. That means it is bullish because whenever it comes near to this 20 EMA, the price is taken some U-turn. That's what last 2 days it's slightly going upside. So technical pattern is also good, and our open interest method also suggesting short covering is going to happen, but only above this today's high 334 and above. But I will keep some 6 rupees trigger price. So 340 and above the price will go, good rally will happen. And I will show you my call also. This is my call for Nestle. If it crosses today's high about 340 level, you can buy. That means buy above 340 rupees. 20,500 call, buy above 340 rupees. Target is 485 rupees. Stop loss is 250. This is the call for Nestle. And I will show you another Marico Industries. It is also same pattern, short covering pattern. I will show you Marico. I will show you in chart. It is Marico. Today's closing price is 567.50 in futures. It is a 4 hours chart. You can see here some bullish Arami pattern has formed. This is the inside candle pattern. This is the Friday's candle is inside candle pattern. So I found this some bullish Harami pattern form. That I also broken today. 561 is the bullish Harami patterns I. That I also break today. Today's I is 573.65. So definitely the stock will go up as per the technical pattern. And we also notice what is happened in the open interest method. We can check the Marico Industries 580 call option. 580 call option. Marico 580 call option. Today's closing price is 8.35. Today I is 10.40. We can check the today's data. Today the total traded volume is 1674 contracts. Market lot size is 2000 shares per lot. Today open interest, today end of the day open interest is 15,18,000. You can notice change in open interest, that is minus 4,22,000. Huge volume has come down. That means huge open interest has come down. Oddly 4,20,000 shares open interest has come down. You can notice change in open interest percentage minus 22% has come down compared to the Friday's open interest. we can check the historical data. You can see this is the Marico historical data. You can watch Friday's open interest is 19,40,000 shares. Today's open interest you can see 15,18,000 open interest. That means 4,20,000 open interest has come down. The same pattern, Nestle India pattern, short covering pattern. That means you see this is the pattern. Fourth pattern, open interest coming down, price is going up. That is called short covering. The same pattern happened in the Nestle. So same pattern for Marico. The open interest coming down, 4 lakh shares open interest coming down. Same time, price is going up. You see, Friday's closing price is 6.60. Today's closing price is 8.35. So price is going up. Open interest is coming down. Same time, you can notice the volume. Friday's volume is 858 contracts. Today's volume is 1674. That means more than double, oddly double volume compared to the Friday's volume. So volume also is picking up. Open interest is coming down. Price is going up means purely short covering scene. But we need to take call tomorrow only if it cross 10.40. You can use some 30 paise trigger price. So about 10.75 it crosses means definitely the share price will go upside. We can keep the target last week's high. Last week's high you can see 13th September. Last week's high is 19.65 is the last week's high. So we can keep 19.50 as a target and 6.50 as a stop loss. This is my call. You can see Marico 580 call, buy above 10.75, target 19.50, stop loss 6.50. You can see the pattern in chart. Previous week you see it touched 587 rupees in futures, Marico futures. I am expecting the same level in coming days. That means Marico will go to 585 to 590 levels in coming days. That's what I keep the target 19.65. So 19.50 is my target. Only if it cross 10.70. Today's high is 10.40. I always keep some trigger price above the high price. So this is my call. 10.75 above buy, 19.50 target, stop loss 6.50. Friends, it is purely disclaimer. I am not a SEBI registered analyst or advisor. My views and explanation given in this video are only for education and study purpose only. I am not responsible for any of your trading loss or financial loss. Before taking any positions based on this video, please consult with your financial advisor. Guys, if you like this video, please like the video and put the comment in the comment box, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Please support my YouTube channel. Thank you guys. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.